Hi, I'm Jim Pink of MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. Let's look at a 2021 Yamaha 252 SE. This brand new design Yamaha 252 SE for 2021 has got a really nice large back transom, plenty of seating. These seats will move forward and backward. This is in the back position. This is in the forward position. Gives you a little more seating in the rear. Very nice interior, lots of detail, two-tone, three-tone stitching of fabrics. Twin engine, Yamaha 1.8 liter high output engines. Very large display screen, dual throttles, tilt steering wheel. Nice captain chairs with bolster seat. A little bar area. Removable SeaDeck flooring. Large bow area. Again, more seating. Ladder and anchor storage underneath this lid. Step down in the bow, cup holders, wet sound stereo system, large tower, solar panel charger for your batteries. Brand new for 2021, the Yamaha 252 SE. Come by MarineMax Lake Norman and see me. I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168.